Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I have something very special for all you auto service professionals out there. Today, we celebrate you, the unsung heroes who keep our vehicles running like well-oiled machines. Today is National Automotive Service Professionals Day, and I'm here to shout out to all the mechanics, technicians, and everyone involved in the automotive service industry. Whether you're diving under the hood, aligning wheels, or managing the front desk at a service center, your hard work does not go unnoticed. Let's kick things off by talking about what it really means to be in your shoes. Every day you deal with complex mechanical puzzles ensuring every car you touch is safer and more reliable to drive. Think about that. Each bolt you tighten, every engine you tune, you're not just fixing cars, you're keeping families safe on the road, helping commuters get to work, and ensuring that everyone gets to their destinations without a hitch. I know it's not always glamorous, it's early mornings, late nights, and sometimes overlooked efforts. But today, it's about celebrating the dedication and expertise that you bring to the table. What you do is essential to our everyday lives, and it's high time we put the spotlight on you. And let me say this, your passion and commitment are what drive the entire automotive industry forward. You adapt to new technologies, tackle environmental challenges, and push the boundaries of what our vehicles can achieve. You don't just service cars, you're at the forefront of innovation, making sure that our rides are more efficient, reliable, and powerful. So here's to you, the backbone of our roads, the wizards of the workshop, the champions in coveralls. Keep up the incredible work. The road ahead is exciting, and it's your skills that will keep us moving forward. Thank you for all that you do. Keep turning those wrenches, keep solving those problems, and remember, today, we all celebrate you. Remember to take a moment today to pat yourselves on the back, maybe share a story with your colleagues about the craziest fix you've ever done, or just take that well-deserved break with some pride. You've earned it. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you liked this appreciation post, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to share how you're celebrating today, or share this video with a fellow service professional who deserves some recognition. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that celebrates and inspires everyone out there who makes a difference. See you all in the next one, and once again, thank you, you amazing auto service pros.